Hey there! Running a WordPress multi-site, but your emails just aren't behaving? Yeah, I've been there too. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up SMTP the easy way using YaySMTP. No complicated setup, no headaches. All right, let's jump in. First, head over to your network admin dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add New, search for YaySMTP, install it, and make sure to network activate. Since this is multi-site, this step is super important. Next, I'm going to enable the multi-site settings inside YaySMTP. This lets all your subsites inherit the SMTP configuration from the network admin. Now, there's one small thing to keep in mind. When this is enabled, you can only send test emails from the network site. If you want to send test emails directly from a subsite, you can simply turn this option off. But in my case, I want to use one SMTP service for all subsites, so I'll keep it enabled. Once that's done, YaySMTP will automatically fill in the necessary settings for you, which saves a lot of time. From the Super Admin view, you'll also see an option to force the from name and from email. This is really helpful. It lets you set a consistent sender name and email address for all outgoing emails across your network. Now, let's choose an email provider. You'll see a list of options. Just pick the one you prefer. For this example, I'll go with Brevo SMTP. All you need is a single API key, and it'll work across all your subsites. One thing I really like about YaySMTP is how flexible it is for multi-site. You can apply global SMTP settings to every subsite or allow individual sites to use their own configuration. Before wrapping up, don't forget to send a test email. Just click Send Test, enter your email address, and check your inbox. And here's another feature I really appreciate. Each subsite can view its own email logs, so site admins can check sent emails, see if anything failed, and troubleshoot issues, right from their own dashboard. No need to depend on the network admin. At the end of the day, setting up SMTP for WordPress Multisite is all about making your emails reliable again. So your customers get their notifications, your admins stay informed, and everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.